attention, guys. Come on. We got.
As you're kind of in Africa, but
Plus. I never got it. Because I was in Africa, probably.
Someone else lost around.
I got it.
you got
Halfway. Aaron, probably.
Bobby's just trying to kill me.
I was getting the bomb and did not notice that I got red.
Okay, MD. Yeah, I've pretty much figured it out now.
Kill the engineer, guys, so we get the bombs.
Operate.
2.
you have 25 seconds till the furnace and engineers. That's the time we want. My side's gonna finish early this time. You got 9 seconds till the furnace engineer. Try to finish it before then. 6 seconds. 2 more bombs. We have another set of furnace engineer. Still need 1 bomb on the far side.
There we go.
I imagine
He wants the bomb.
Shit, I
bomb,
did.
go to Africa and blow it.
this guy's on me.
Sorry.
Kill these 2 engineers, guys. One engineer. Watch out for those
Watch the bombs blowing up. They're gonna blow up.
I kicked him.
Elemental's going down already.
Ready?
Get ready.
Go.
Turn it.
The security guard broke, so we'll pick it up. So I should have moved.
Remember, let's stack up, guys.
Let's shove them
5 seconds.
Burn it.
Come on, kill it. Kill it. Good job.
Good
Deck
job.
over there.
Foreman died. Kill Foreman.
I'm gonna get the security guard started.
Do your thing, tank.
Fire color.
Colors are out. Still a fire colors.
Right, Elemental's vulnerable.
He's stuck.
Just leave everything.
And here's the security guard right here.
Run out and get the debuff.
I got him.
Someone grab this from me. Oh,
Don't have the debuff, you should be stacked in.
it's blowing up. It's blowing up.
Let's go.
Sorry, man. I'm taking it.
Kill it.
Good job on the fire line.
Potato, you gotta get in. You're next.
Oh, shit.
You should be on Angie. If you don't have the debuff.
Alright, clean up shit.
Come on. Dispel.
Let's try to kill time. I got.
Move it a little bit. There you go.
I'm stunning this far.
There you go. Okay, you're good.
Fire collars. Get on fire collars. We're definitely gonna get this burn in one go, so make sure we kill the fire collars here.
Where is the other one?
Dispel it. Dispel the element.
Good job.
Right.
Back in. Yeah, magic.
Kill the Primal.
Elementalist, guys.
Alright, circles on Vit.
Next one.
Yeah, that's what we're killing now.
Fire Caller's up.
Make sure we kill fire callers. Everyone kill fire callers, guys.
Hold on, don't come here. You gotta pay attention to that, dude.
You gonna...
Circle.
Kick it out from here.
We're in Shredder group. Fire callers are out. Get on fire call.
Circle's about. Fire Caller. I'm stunning out.
Enough, you have the debuff.
This one.
We're saving city.
Yeah, save seasons
Ready?
for the fourth one.
Go.
Burn it.
Hey, diamonds are our next target on Banana.
Stack on Agi. So, because you guys are all over the place, and if people try to spread out there, they're going to go stack on you and kill you.
Make sure we kill fire call.
Spread out. See, it's much easier this way.
You don't want to be too close though, because when the slag elemental blows up, we don't want it hitting the range for no reason. That's what I'm saying. Banana, you gotta get back in. And let's kill diamond. And then just kill diamond. It's ready, guys. Go. See, this is ideal where we're already cleaving the next target down, and then when we need to kill it, it's already like almost. That's the ideal way to do it. That's very good.
I'm gonna trank this.
Fox is up.
Hey, circle's up. It's on whose line? It's the next kill target on the fourth. And we're killing this in one go.
Get the fire callers down first. For the next AoE.
Yeah, go to the next one. Include AoE down there.
It's in the shield, by the way.
Almost the fire callers.
Second.
It's almost down.
You ready?
They're ready.
All CDs here, guys.
Piss blood.
Go. Piss blood. That's right, baby.
Yeah, buddy.
Make sure.
Fire Caller.
I'm gonna Aura Mastery this, spread out.
Good.
Burn it.
Come on.
Come on.
Oh,
Okay, it's
kill
okay.
the next
We're
one.
good.
We got the next one.
The next one's on Sarmy. Diamond, it's already marked. Get Diamond in there, quick. Someone kick Diamond, let's go. We need to do this faster, we're wasting too much downtime between the...
Spread out.
Don't move, Diamond.
Hobbies amp.
Okay, we have another set of fire caller spawn.
Here it is.
We need to kill these before we burn ball.
Kill it, and then switch to all the fucking
Look
fire
on fire callers, fire callers, fire callers.
Spread out. Don't kill anyone.
Personal cooldowns.
Get to the
Give
corner.
themselves room to Africa.
Get this off me.
You know, fire callers.
Remember,
Get out to the corner.
run away.
If you're not targeted, you can just stack up. If you're not fixated, stack up behind the boss. If you're fixated, spread out.
Spread out with the debuffs, guys. Good job. Keep it clean.
Wrong boss.
Just one more.
Conning.
Get my get.
Tom, keep your resume. Y'all can probably taunt with 2 stacks if you want to take him.
Yeah.
Security card. Should probably use healing tide on the next blood.
Less than 5 seconds.
We actually should be okay. We're caught up here pretty good.
Less than
Looking
2
very good,
minutes.
guys.
I'm really mad because I'm not recording right now.
Focus.
Focus on your deeper.
Can you honk? Come on,
Where's the
guys. Alright, I have wings in 2 seconds.
Move the boss a little bit.
Fox is up. If you don't have fixate, make sure you're in.
Think is available.
Yeah.
You should be like on top of the boss if you don't have fix.
Taunting.
And if someone with fixate dies, it's gonna refixate someone else. So like, don't just assume you're never gonna get fixated the rest of the. Because you might later.
Less than 40.
Move the boss a little bit.
Keep Calyx up.
Trank's going out.
Alright, nice.
A raise amp is available. Quick 5.
I'm gonna Aura Mastery the next blast. Aura Mastery?
Lock stone if you still.
Yep.
Last team
Also,
20.
we get it.
Blast as soon as you get it. 15 seconds. Do we have a raid cooldown? We need it.
Array amp. Amp.
Personals, guys. All personals you have. Let's go.
God.
Locks out.
Oh my god. Oh, I fix it.
Lost
I'm getting it.
Get a barrier down. Can we lost?
Personals.
Lost.
I have no last.
I left it.
If you didn't get that lust, call for a second lust in a second.
Second last, please.
Let's go!
All personals. All personals.
Kill!
Come
Oh
on.
my god!
Kill it, kill it.
All fucking personals! Come on!
God!
Come on!
Do it.